We're at the 6-station mobile restroom trailer. It features 3 women's stalls, nice big double vanity. On the men's side, it has 1 stall, 2 urinals, and a nice big vanity as well. So once you're on site, unhooked from the truck and ready to set the trailer up, you're going to want to level it. And to do that, you're going to need to set up your leveling jacks. Just pull the pin, rotate this jack down and into position, reinsert the pin, and then go ahead and crank it down until they're touching the ground. To set up the steps, you're going to pull the locking pin here, set that to the side as we won't need that anymore until we're ready to put it back. Reach in and pull the step out. Just put a foot on it to kick it into position. Once your step is set up, you're going to flip out the handrail. To do that, just lift up, swing it out into position, and then you're going to tighten this thumb screw down. Back at the service closet of the trailer, you've got 2 120 volt 30 amp electrical connections. Down here you've got your city water and freshwater connection. You can use that to fill the 225 gallon onboard freshwater tank. The unit does feature a 6-gallon water heater. You've got your breaker panels in here for your electrical service and an onboard freshwater pump with a bladder tank.